this is a discussion that I think that needs to be updated abroad, and I think that for Italy is something, let's say, not new, that is on the agenda, but is not still impacting the business and investment business as it was supposed to be. But I think that this kind of discussion with the valuer and with the investment people, I think is something very useful, and hopefully we should have something more in the future. The sustainability, environmental politics is something new, and let's say in the last 10 years everywhere, and the last 5 years in Italy. And let's say the last 5 years in Italy was not exactly the best moment of the market. So, and it was more, we are as a, let's say, a landlord, I was more focused on cost cutting than investing. But as I say during the meeting, when we've done something focus on the investment on the green building, we have the payback. We receive the payback. So I think that this is useful. We didn't have for the, let's say, the market crisis, and we're more focused on the cost cutting, as I say. But I think that in the next year, especially for the kind of investor that we are seeing these days, I think it's something that we should be more focused, and we will be more focused.